Alright, it's a pretty special day. Car's been with me for a while. It's getting delivered in 2 days and I've got to put some miles on it. Stella's ready to go for a ride. Normally I don't like having her ride with me in a customer's car, but I don't have a choice. She's got to go home with me. Isn't that right, girl? Oh, let's see how this thing drives. Let's take the handbrake off. Shut our door. Find the clutch. Put her in first gear. And away we go. This is proper British motoring. Yes, I will say you can feel every little bump in the road. This is proper British motoring. Need to get like a little skull cap for the dog. Open air, open smells, a lot of cowl shake. It's an old classic convertible. We're going to go through some slower parts of our neighborhood here, so I'm going to shift down to second. Really a fun car. I think the front end needs some shocks. They're the Armstrong lever action shocks. They're really hard to find. I'm going to see if I can find some of those. Running like a champ. Water temperature's cool, oil pressure's good. Stella's happy. Lots of speed bumps. Lots of waves. Everybody loves this car. This is great. Alright, so it's Saturday morning early, it's delivery day, and we're going to drop off the MG after a 3-year total mechanical restoration. Pretty much everything but paint. And I've dressed up to commemorate the occasion. Hi, how are ya? I don't know if I look English, but that's the theme I'm going for. And I've got my beautiful wife following behind us. Oh, so the light turned green before I could say what I wanted to. My wife is following there in our Mustang. Can you see her waving? She's waving. There, she's waving. All right, so we're getting pretty close to the house that we're going to deliver this car to. It's going to be a surprise. I don't know which house it is, but I think we'll figure it out. A really nice little neighborhood. Overlook in North Portland, and I'm hoping there's going to be somebody out here to direct me as to where to go. We'll just see. Oh, I think we are. Here we are. Here we are. Right there. Okay. I'm going to park right there. I think everybody's waiting for me. So Anita is very surprised about her gift from her husband. It's been a long road. It was her mother's car. She's very surprised. Get in! Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Okay. You gotta drive off into the sunset.
Is this like my mother's? Yeah.
No, no. It is your mother's.
She just realized that's her mother's car.
This is my mother's car.
Yes.
Very sentimental.
You want me to try it?
You might need some instructions from the instructor.
Let me give you a few instructions, but Jerry, I think...
You labeled it.
Yeah. There they go. No, she's ready for the racetrack. That's great. Here they come. They're going to keep going. Okay, I just heard the seatbelts click. I think they're ready to roll. I hear the fuel pump. And there, it just fired up. Cute little MG, look at that thing. They got their hats on. There you go. Bye-bye. Look at them. That's so cute. They love it.
Yep. Good job.
And there they go. That's funny. Let's see if we can catch them. Oh, they look so cute. That's perfect for them. They look so happy. You can hear the little... Even the lights are working. That's great. You got the key on? There you go. Okay, got the key on? Good. Give it a little choke. Just a little bit. Oh? No? Give it a little gas. Like put your foot on the gas pedal. Okay.
No flood.
Yeah. Yeah, let's push that in. Oh. Oh. Au revoir. Have a good day. There they go. Waiting for traffic. I am. There they go. Yeah. Oh, that's great. They're still driving it. It's a day later. There it goes. Started right up.
It's just so smooth.
It sounds silky smooth.
I've got my hat on.
You got your hat. You look good.
Top's up. Keep your top up. It might sprinkle.
I know. You got to have the top up in case it might sprinkle. Anita's got it figured out. Oh, they're having a great time.
Oh, buckle up, buckle up.
There they go.
So.
Good, I'm glad you like it. You look pretty good in there. That's a good car for you, Nor. Someday maybe you'll get a car like that.
Wait, like...
Give it just a lift up a little bit and give it a good slam. No, not too much, not too much. That's too much. There you go, you got it. Good job.
I'm eating burritos.
Okay, let's go eat burritos. Look at that baby. Purring like a kitten. We got a new belt on there. I think we stopped this carburetor leak. Purrs like a kitten. Where's our throttle valve? There we go. Sounds good. You got any heat in it yet? A little bit. Oh, watch your finger. That'll take your finger off.